Hello my crypto enthusiasts and welcome back to the Crypto Catalyst, your favorite crypto host. Into this video guys, on our menu is something different than the usual projects that we are doing, and it's called Aesc. The Aesc is a next generation layer 1 blockchain built for the real world value flow and parallel settlement infrastructure. Right now they're running the Testnet campaign guys that we're going to be the part of as well. Help them on some ways guys by testing some things as well. You'll see what I'm talking about, and on other side get rewarded really good for that. Definitely guys, stay with me because into this video I'll break down how everything over here is functioning at the Aesc, and right now how you can get involved step by step. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, so first let's understand what Aesc actually is. The Aesc guys is not just another blockchain, please remember that from the first word. It's designed as a parallel settlement infrastructure for a real world economy. Instead right now of focusing only on a DeFi or NFTs, Aesc is targeting real value flows like agricultural data, the cross-border trade, machine-to-machine payments and the real world assets. And here is the key idea behind it guys. The real world works in a parallel guys right now. That means the multiple things happen at the same time, but traditional blockchains process transactions one by one in a single queue. And that right now guys creates the bottlenecks, delays out there and a higher costs. That right now is the place for the Aesc, because the Aesc solves that with a parallel execution, meaning the multiple independent transactions can be processed guys at the same time. On top of that, they have a sub-second finality, so transactions are confirmed almost instantly guys. They also right now integrate compliance directly into the system, which is the crucial for the real world adoption. So instead of being just a ledger, the Aesc guys becomes an active settlement layer for a real world value. Overall, you'll see in today's video guys that the Aesc is building the infrastructure for a real world finance, not just another ecosystem. I mean, not just another crypto ecosystem. For more information guys, for everything over here about the Aesc, as you can right now jump straight over here to the white paper guys, where you can right now expand your knowledge guys and find some more things about the Aesc, because as you can see the ecosystem is big, and if I check this everything out guys, this video could last 2 hours. My point over here is for you to understand what the Aesc is and what is right now the value of this massive ecosystem, what the solutions guys right now are offering over here, and as well how everything is functioning. Okay guys, after that right now we are going to go to the testnet, where I'm going to show guys how everything is working, how you can right now help them provide and get reward guys on the other side. In the top right corner just click over here on the testnet guys, and as you can see this is right now their testnet campaign. Just click guys over here to the get started, and as you can see you will be directly redirected to their testnet website. First of all, what you need to do right now is to connect your wallet over here on the right side guys. The MetaMask or any EVM wallet works guys. My high recommendation guys, the MetaMask is working fine. Right now I'm going to use my password over here. Right now I'm going to connect. Just follow guys the steps for the prompts, and as you can see you're in a couple of seconds. So the first of all guys, as you can see this is your rank over here, your balance of the seeds guys. As you can see everything over here is really user friendly, and we have the clear overview of everything. So the next section for us is how to get started. As you can see, get started guys step by step. So guys, the next step is right now to claim your gas. By clicking over here guys, claim gas, you'll receive one Aec token guys. This is right now required for all transactions, and you can claim it once every 24 hours. So guys, without it you can do nothing. Just click RC over here to claim your gas right now, and right now I'm just going to need my wallet address guys for a Binance Smart Chain, and I'm going right now to request one Aec token. As you can see guys, successfully sent right now to my wallet, and as you can see right now I have one Aec token over here. As you can see it will be showed over here in the top left corner. Right now prepare for the gas. The next step guys is right now to claim your test USDT. As you can see over here, you'll receive over here as 2000 tokens. These are used for testing and completing tasks guys. This is right now not the real money. Just click guys over here to claim your 2000 guys, approve over here network, follow the prompts, follow the steps. You will be redirected over here for transaction requests, guys. Just click the next. And as you can see, guys, right now I am in a couple of seconds, and I have right now collected my test USDT tokens, guys. The next step right now, guys, as you can see, one more time, I just want to repeat it, guys, that each address can claim once per 24 hours, guys, as for the one AEX token as well. So guys, the next step will be over here. If you want to maximize your rewards, of course, you can bridge, as you can see over here, real USDT from the BCC right now using their bridge interface over here, the bridge tool as well. Of course, guys, with that, using the bridged USDT gives you 5x more rewards on X402 transactions. And of course, guys, it's optional, but of course it's recommended, guys. As you can see on that way right now, you are boosting everything. As you can see, how you can do that right now, you can over here click on the bridge, guys. And as you can see, you will be right now, guys, redirected over here. As you can see, from Binance Smart Chain to the Aesc Testnet, guys, the amount that I'm going right now to put over here is going to be $2.5. Let me write down 2.5 USDT. One time, I'm just going to connect my wallet over here. Right now, I'm just going to put over here $2.5. Over here, you can see your bridge info, guys, the token content as well, and switch to the Binance Smart Chain. As you can see, 2.5 USDT will be added right now to my profile, to my account, and I'm just going to approve it over here. Click, guys, over here on the approve right now. As you can see, you're of course going to have some fees. It's normal, guys, from transaction getter right now, not centralized. Just click, guys, over here to confirm. So guys, after I would say 20 seconds, not just 1 minute, as you can see, I see over here, guys, my dashboard right now, namely, guys, right now my balance over here on the dashboard, guys, and everything over here is set for us. So let's talk about a strategy, guys. So over here, guys, I will start with the daily tasks, namely with the task A, and it's a logistics test. Right now we need, as you can see, to do one cross-address transfer either with AEX or USDT, and as you can see, it will be detected automatically when you send tokens between the wallets on an Aesc network. A testnet, of course, you can as well, I would say, transfer it between your friends if you have, when they come as well to the platform, guys, and on that way you can right now get rewarded with the 10 seeds. How to do that? For example, guys, go to your MetaMask wallet, click over here, guys, on the send test USDT. As you can see, we have 2000. Enter, guys, the address that you want to send your tokens to, for example, and over here the amount. Right now I will send 100. It's not important, guys, it's only just a test. Continue. Follow over here, guys, the steps, approve the transaction, guys, as well. And as you can see, guys, right now the transaction is confirmed, guys, in a couple of seconds. For that, guys, we are getting rewarded with 10 seeds, as you can see, and this is right now, guys, your seed balance. As you can see, guys, you can perform up to 10 transactions per category daily, guys. That means 10 transfer, 10 test USDT, 10 bridged USDT, up to 30. As you can see, that is right now the daily quote for you. After, guys, you have your tasks done, you can also well click over since now or refresh, guys, so you can see your right now rewards and your seed balance. The next, as you can see, is the standard trade, guys. As you can see, for that we're going to get rewarded. As you can see, we have either a standard trade or a premium trend. Right now I'm going to show you as well right now the standard trade. As you can see, where we need to send the test USDT or USDT without holding the AEX. Relay pays gas. As you can see, you pay 0.01 test USDT per transaction over here. And as you can see, guys, this is going to be over here recipient address, guys, the amount that you want to send. I'm just going to put the address over here and amount, for example, 100, guys, as you can see. Send via X402. As you can see, one more time, I'm in the wallet. You can see over here one more time the transaction overview. Confirm it, guys. And after a couple of seconds, guys, as you can see right now, you can see one more time your seeds balance. We get rewarded for that with 100 seeds. And that's, guys, the way you do it. As you can see, you can also pick one more time, guys, between the premium trade. As you can see, this is going to be the real USDT via X402 sentiment, guys. But on that way, the highest reward, guys, are there. And this is going to be your highest reward bet. As you can see, it requires the real USDT. So besides, guys, I just want to go straight to it. As you can see, we have a boost code. This is right now the code that you can get from the telegrams to activate 3x multiplier for 60 minutes on all tests, guys. Namely, the boost codes right now are released in Telegram and they last for 60 minutes, guys. As you can see, guys, on that way you can right now boost your earnings or receipts. For a transfer, it's going to be 30, for a standard 300, and for the premium 1.5 thousand. And as you can see, for example, in the Telegram group, those right now are the boost code that are lasting right now for 60 minutes. Once you guys get into the Telegram group, you will be able to see right now the codes over here. If you want right now to use automation, you can deploy, guys, an AI agent over here using the OpenClaw, as you can see over here with your own eyes. It will execute transactions, guys, for you and maximize, guys, your rewards over here with the code. As you can see, you just need to connect an OpenClaw AI agent to automate it, guys, and as you can see, everything is going to be done for you. Right now, you can also earn more, guys, by your referrals, guys, by inviting your friends. As you can see over here, you can right now invite users, guys, and get a 50%, guys, bonus for that. And this is going to be my referral link, guys, and of course my referral link, guys, will be found in the description box down below. Also, guys, on the other side, you can be as well, guys, rewarded, guys, by following as well right now their community as well over here, the Telegram as well, something also what I have showed you already, guys, for the bonus codes as well. As you can see, the numbers members right now at the moment, you can right now discuss over here with the community, guys, get those codes as well, guys, be engaged, guys, and I would say have a great time over here on the Telegram. But also, guys, it's really important to follow them over here on the X right now, namely Twitter, so you can right now stay up to date with everything what's happening in the project as well, for the major updates, for the major announcements, guys, maybe giveaways and upcoming, guys, airdrop as well. That is something what is be talking about over here at the Aesc. But overall, guys, you can be updated with everything what is happening over here. As you can see, guys, this is that airdrop that I'm talking about, guys, where you, as you can see, need to complete simple tasks to farm right now receipts, which will earn you a slice of 18 million, guys, tokens, guys. As you can see, guys, my high recommendation, follow them over here on the X and join the Telegram as well. Besides that, guys, as you can see, you can be as well rewarded by right now reporting the bugs. As you can see, if you find some issue, guys, if you're unsatisfied with something, guys, if you're not sure into something that is functioning well, if you right now help them on that way, you can also get rewarded, as you can see, from 100 to 1000 seats, guys, which is extremely incredible, guys, and this is really the next level of rewarding right now the community. Overall, guys, I hope you understood everything about Aesc, how everything is functioning over here, because Aesc is building something, guys, much bigger than a typical crypto project. It's an infrastructure for a real world value flow, as you have seen, guys. And that concludes the walkthrough, guys, everything what I have showed you over here. I want, guys, to really reiterate that this is a massive incentivized airdrop campaign, guys. One more time with the 18 million Aesc tokens allocated for distribution, guys. You have seen it on the X as well. Furthermore, guys, rumors are already circulating that the Aesc team is in discussions with the major centralized exchanges out there and Silicon Valley tech giants, indicating, guys, just how seriously the industry is taking the X402 standard and the future of the agent economy. By completing, guys, over here these testnet tasks now, you are securing your position, guys, on the ground floor of the first machine-focused layer 1 blockchain called Aesc. And the links, guys, that you need to get started are right below, guys, in the description box down below. But guys, pay attention, just remember that I'm not a financial advisor, guys, this is a financial advice. You need to do your own research, guys, and decide for yourself, guys, if you want to use the platform, if you want to invest, guys, or to do, guys, everything that you want to do. But guys, this is only for educational purposes, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave me thoughts in comments down below. Write me if you need some help, guys. Smash that like, share, subscribe, it means a lot. That was a Crypto Catalyst, and I'll catch you in the next video.